Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Greenwood Mobile Banking app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Greenwood Mobile Banking is a secure app designed to help users manage their bank accounts on the go. The app offers features such as checking account balances, viewing transaction history, transferring funds, paying bills, mobile check deposits, and setting up account alerts. It also provides budgeting tools, customer support access, and secure login options to keep your finances safe. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Users appreciate Greenwood Mobile Banking for its clean interface, straightforward navigation, and reliable performance. It allows account holders to manage daily banking tasks efficiently from anywhere, with instant notifications for account activity and easy access to support. Many users also like the app's budgeting tools and the convenience of depositing checks remotely. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. Some users report occasional glitches, and advanced features like detailed financial planning or integrations with third-party apps may be limited. Additionally, while basic banking features are robust, power users might find the app less comprehensive than desktop banking platforms. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button. It really supports the channel. In summary, the Greenwood Mobile Banking app may be worth using if you're looking for a convenient, secure, and mobile-friendly way to manage your bank accounts. It excels in ease of use, account monitoring, and everyday banking tasks. However, if you need more advanced financial management tools or robust integrations, it might not fully meet your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.